See, I can do the power loop. The problem is the when I do it, I have to cut around because I'm at the edge of where I started. Oh, washboard. Prop wash. Oh, that was bad. Ooh, saved it. That was bad. Too close. These are still the stock rates and pits. Like, I did not touch any of that stuff. I did some for my older quad, but not for this one. Is that for me? I don't see the dog nearby. Oh yeah, I'm guessing. See the person. I see the dog. Alright. Oh, nope, nope, nope.